Hello everyone. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano mag-deposit dito sa Thrive International. So, andito tayo sa website ng Thrive. So, if you have already your account, punta lang kayo ng login. Then, make sure na naka SCA International Thrive siya. Okay. Then, lagay nyo po yung inyong email and password. Okay. Then, click login. Okay, so ito yung ating client portal. Yan, yung dashboard natin for client. Okay, so ang gagawin niyo, punta lang kayo sa deposit dito sa gilid. Ayan. Then, ito yung mga mode of deposit na meron si Thrive International. Meron tayong bank transfer, may credit card, may bank gateway, may e-wallets, may crypto din. So, ang convenient na gamitin, especially sa Pinas, is GCash, Maya, and online banking. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is Payment Asia under Bank Gateway. Tapos, select lang kayo ng MT5 or MT4 na paglalagyan nyo po ng deposit. Let's say ito. Then, click nyo po yung amount in USD. So, let's say 500 USD. Then, click continue. Okay, so ito yung lalabas, pay to Thrive International Limited. So yung $500 is naka-convert siya into peso with 29,122. Click pay now. Then lalabas yung Dragon Pay na gateway. So dito you could choose various mode of deposit like online banking, e-wallet, over the counter, others. So sabi ko kanina, if you are gonna be using GCash, Paymaya, or any application on your bank with using QR, so select nyo po yung QRPH new. Then click I agree to the terms and condition, click select. Okay, so lalabas yung QR code na to. So ang gagawin nyo, punta kayo ng GCash, Maya, or Cbank, or any application na meron kayo sa online banking nyo or e-wallets na may QR na feature. Scan nyo lang po ito, automatically magbabawas yun sa inyong wallet or banko, then it will be credited to your MT5 trading account, yung $500 na dineposit yun. So yun lang. Thank you for watching this video. Ingat po kayo. God bless.